See the example 1 here. What is the question? If in a certain language, L-O-K-E-S-H, okay, now that the pronunciation of this word is Lokesh, but always the words may not have a proper pronunciation, so don't worry about that. So this L-O-K-E-S-H is coded as G-R-D-J-N-K, okay. So how S-U-D-H-I-R, Sudhir, is coded in that code? That is what they are asking. Now don't worry too much about the options, although options checking is very important, because if you try to keep everything in your mind, the options also, sometimes this coding and decoding will become little more challenging than what it is actually. But just have a one thing in the mind, that first option and second option, that is option A and B, the starting letter is R, and in this should be C actually here, okay. So here the alphabets are like, you know, starting with the Q and here also Q. Now the point is very important, what it is. How this word L-O-K-E-S-H is coded, the same rule will be applied for S-U-D-H-I-R also. So let us first see what is happening. L-O-K-E-S-H, am I right? Now this is G-R-D-J-N-K. Can we observe anything here? Yes, you see here H and G, G-H, correct? So after G comes H, after R comes S, D-E-J-K-N-O-K-L alphabetically. So there is a link between these. So how this H is coded in the thing, the reverse order is happening, correct? So S to R, right? Yes, exactly. These are the things we can observe, and one letter before it is. That means what is the rule? -1, correct? So accordingly, now if we want to analyze this one for the Sudhir, what will you say? S-U-D-H-I-R. So if I want it to be coded, then the first one should be same -1 rule has to be applied. Am I right? So what is the alphabet before the capital R? Yes, it is Q. Q-R. Okay. What is the alphabet before I? H-I. So here has to come what? H. Next, what is the alphabet before H? G-H. So G will be there before this one. What is the alphabet before D? C-D. So here comes a C. S-T-U. T-U. So here T has to come. P-Q-R-S. After R will come S. So before S is what? R. So what is your observation? Q, H, G, C, T, R. So that means the choice C will be the right answer for this question.